How to change or edit widgets on iPhone. To get started, long press any empty space on your home screen to enter edit mode. In this mode, all your apps and widgets will jiggle. You can tap the minus icon on any widget you wish to remove, such as the clock widget. A pop-up will appear. Tap Remove to confirm the action. Also, by dragging the corner of a widget you can expand or shrink an widget. To add a new widget, tap the Edit button in the top left corner and then tap on Add Widget. This opens the widget gallery, where you can browse through a variety of options. Scroll down the list and select the app for which you want to add a widget, like YouTube. Choose your preferred widget style and tap on Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Tap on Done as shown to save the changes. You can also customize your lock screen by swiping down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the lock screen preview to begin editing. Tap on the widget area to edit it. You can remove existing widgets here as well. Scroll to find and select a new widget you wish to add, and tap on it to add it. You can swipe through the options to find the one you want. Finally, tap on Done to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily change or edit widgets on an iPhone.